Wind gusts swept across the Monterey Peninsula, leaving behind piles of debris, minor damage to property, and thousands without power.
Power is still off at our house.
The power is still off at our house.
Really?
Yeah, and that's why we're coming down here to eat.
And that's why we're coming down here to eat.
For those left in the dark Wednesday, various community resource centers opened across the Monterey Peninsula. At Skulls Park Community Center in Monterey, staff welcomed residents in need of electricity.
And we offer charging station. We have hot coffee and some water if you would like as well. And then, of course, information that we could provide to citizens.
It's so reassuring to know that the city is so prepared. They've taken weeks to be ready for bad weather.
In Pacific Grove, the Asilomar Hotel and Conference Grounds took it a step further, offering discounted rooms for those displaced by the outages.
We're lucky enough here at Asilomar to have a full complex generator that powers all 55 buildings and 107 acres. We're absolutely welcoming to the community to come in.
New rate will run you about $100 for the night, but generally ranges from $130 to $320 a night. Alex Marin, the general manager, says residents are taking advantage of the offer, and with the second storm expected to hit the Central Coast, he expects even more families to reserve a room.
We actually had a few locals book last night before we even put the rate out there.
It's a short-term solution, but for those affected by outages, it's help when they need it most.
While several of these resources are time limited, the Asilomar Hotel will remain open through Christmas. Live in Pacific Grove, I'm Michael Rosales, KSBW Action News 8.
All right, Michael, thank you.